Hello friends, in this video we will do the unboxing of ANG refill ink for cartridges for HP printer. So I have also uploaded a video on how to refill your cartridge. So this unboxing is for colored ink. So it has four colors: magenta, cyan, yellow and black. I have already done a video on how to refill your cartridge. So there I had refilled the black cartridge, and after the unboxing I will create a separate video of how to refill the colored cartridge of your HP or uh, HP printer. So let's begin. Let's do the unboxing process. So this I have purchased from Amazon and the company is ANG Color Refill. So these are four bottles, each of 100 milliliter. So you can see 100 milliliter on each bottle. So this is cyan color, light blue, and then this is magenta. The black one, but the black I have already purchased separately and also refilled the cartridge. Don't forget to check that video. I will add in the description. And then we have yellow. So refilling this colored cartridge is a bit more trickier than the simple black one. So also don't forget to check out the refill video, which I will upload separately. And then we have a number of injections. So we have four of these for each color so that the colors are not mixed. And then we have this to pour out extra ink. So typically in black colored ink you don't require this. You can remove the excess ink the way I had done in my video. But in the case of colored one, people had complained that if you don't suck out some color from the bottom of the cartridge, then the color balance will not be close to the real one. Although ultimately after printing many pages you will get that, but if you suck it from beneath, then the color will be more natural. So stay tuned for the refill video. So that's all in the box. We also have some gloves. Make sure to put on these gloves before refill, otherwise you will have ink all over your hands. Then some tissue paper, so that's nice. These were not required. So this I had purchased for under 500. The black one that I had purchased earlier, uh, that was costlier. That was 600 rupees for 100 milliliter. But I am very happy with the result. That black ink cartridge is now really printing nicely. So we will see how well this one does. So stay tuned for next video. Thank you.